Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection. So here we will see slicing with negative step value in tuples. So first of all, what is tuple collection in Python programming? So tuple is a ordered collection of data or elements, and tuple provides indexes to the collection of elements, and tuple elements are immutable, which means that once a tuple is created, we cannot update it, we cannot delete it. And tuple is capable of storing same type of data or different type of data, and tuple values are given in circle brackets and separated with commas. For example, tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in circle brackets. So simply we can call tuple as read-only version of list. List is mutable, tuple is immutable. And tuple provides indexes to its collection of elements, both positive, negative, including 0. For example, tuple 1 with 5 values, 11 to 55. So the positive indexes are in forward direction, first to last, and starts with 0 to n minus 1, where n is the number of elements in a tuple. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these will be indexes for 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 respectively. Similarly, we can also have negative indexes from last to first in backward direction, -1 to -5 or -5 to -1. Now coming to slicing. So slicing is the process of getting required elements from a tuple, and technically we can call that as subtuple or subset, and it is done with indexes and square brackets, which is known as slice operator. So the syntax goes like this: tuple starting index colon ending index step value. So here ending index element is not taken into consideration. For example, tuple 1, 5, 0, -1. So anyhow we don't have fifth index. Okay, so 5 to 0, or you can also call it as 4 to 0. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is not included, so the negative step value is -1. So we will get 55, 44, 33, 22. 0 index 11 is not included. Next, tuple -1 to -6, -1. So -1, 55, -4, -3, -2, -1. Anyhow we don't have -6th index, it is not included. So we will get 55 to 11. And here we should also give index range in backward direction, which is last to first. Okay, so also give index range. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python tuple example 5. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking a tuple in circle brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So let us start with negative index -1. So tuple 0 to 5 -1. So here forward index range with backward slicing. So we are giving forward indexes with backward slicing. It is not possible. So in this case we will get a empty tuple. So we'll execute only this first case. So save the program. Next, come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. Python tuple example 5. So we should get the empty tuple. Forward indexes range with backward slicing is not possible. Negative slicing is not possible. Next, same case, negative indexes -5 to -1, which means -5 to -1. It is forward index range with negative step value. So save this. Here also we will get a empty tuple. It is not possible to slice in backward direction for forward index range. Next, tuple 1, 4 to 0 -1. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is not included, -1. So you will get 55, 44, 33, 22 as a new tuple return type. Next, -1 to -6 backward index range -1 backward slicing. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 is not there. So anyhow it is not included. So 55 to 11. Next, 4 to 0. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 is not included, but step value is -2. So 4, which is 55, -2 step value. So it will come to 2. 4 minus 2, 2. After that, -2, it will come to 0. But 0 is the ending index in the slicing. It is not included. So we'll get only 55, 33. Next, let us go for -1 to -6. -2 is the step value. -1, next -3, next -5. Anyhow, we don't have -6. It is not included. So we will get 55, 33, 11. Save it, run. 3 values. -5, -3, -1, -6 is the ending index in the slicing, not included. So similarly, we'll take combination of positive and negative index range. -1, which is 55, 0, which is 11. Okay, so which means that 4 to 0, -2. So we will get 55, 33. 55, 33. Combination of positive and negative index including 0. Next, tuple 1, 5, -6, -2, 5. So anyhow 5 is out of index range, not included. So -6 means it is also out of range, which is not included. Okay, now in this case we should get 3 values. Okay, 4. Okay, next 2, and then 0. 55, 33, 11. So this is how we are supposed to perform slicing with negative step value in tuple collection. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.